See, up to here we had a double digit. See, in double digit also, we have material. If you click on material, see here we are done up to this. These problems you have to take printout, ma'am. You take printout, ma'am. You can take the
How should I
screenshot.
take the printout, ma'am?
You can take the screenshot of this.
Okay, I have to take screenshot. Okay.
If you are in laptop, means you can copy and you can paste in any word or somewhere, or you can copy it easily and you can take the printout from it.
I'm using this tab, ma'am. How can I?
Yeah, tab you can take easily printout. Screenshot also we can take, I think. Yes.
Okay, I'll see, ma'am. Today I'll see.
See, up to here we are done, I think. Yes.
Two numbers. Yes.
Yeah, up to 2 numbers we are done. This up to this we are done. This one is the new thing, but also very simple. Without any complement we are doing. Okay, we will take 5 sums. After that, we are going to use this one, big friend edition. Okay, no, sorry, triple digit. Okay, we'll take the first one. This one, see, 11, 12. You can take it as numbers. 11. 11 means add 11, add 12, add 21. Okay, 11, 12, 21. Okay, now I'll open the tool. Now tell me.
Add 11.
Add 11.
Okay. 11.
12.
12 means here add 10, add 2.
2.
Now
Add 21.
add 21. How to add 20? Here add 20.
That's place 2.
Yeah. What's the answer we got?
44.
44. Very good. 44 we got as the answer. Now, shall we take next number, this one?
Yes. 31,
Okay.
51,
31, 51, less 21. Okay? Okay, 31, 51, less 21. Okay, now we'll clear this. Okay? Yes. 31.
Tens place 31. 3.
Okay.
Tens place in 1.
Okay, 51.
1
Add
number.
okay, add 1 here.
Add 1.
Okay. Now less 21.
Lower bits.
In which place less 20 means? Less 20 means?
Tens
Very
place.
good. Very good. Less 20. Less 1. Less 1 in?
Less
1's place. Yes. Answer?
61.
Very good. Now we'll move to the next number. Next one. Okay. Now take in this. Shall we take this one?
Yes.
89.
89 less 68 less 21.
Okay. Remember one more time. Keep it in mind.
89 less 68 less 21.
89 less 68 less 21. Okay? We'll take this one. Yeah, tell me. We'll clear it first. Yeah.
89. In
89.
one space. In one space 89.
See, first we have to add 8, 9, 89. First we'll start from here. 80 plus 9, 89. First we'll start here, okay? 80, okay? 9 means all the beats in one space.
Yes.
Okay, done. And next, what we have to do? Less?
Less 68.
Less 68. Okay, wait.
Less 68.
Less 21.
Yes.
Wait. Less 68, less 21.
Yes.
Wait.
89.
89.
89, 80. And 9 here. Less 68.
Less 68.
Less 50. Less 10. And
68.
here
68.
68. Okay.
3. Less 51.
Less 50.
21.
Less 20. Yes. Less 21. What's the answer?
0.
0. Wait. Okay, now done. Now next one we'll do. Where is the next one? Double digit. Now move. Now we'll take the last. This one. 96.
96. Less 75.
Okay. 67.
67.
Okay.
And 96 at 75.
Wait.
75.
Add 96. Where I have to add
6.
Okay, 96. Okay, done. Next.
Add 7. Less 75.
Less 75. Less 70. Less 50. Less 20. And less 5.
5.
And next.
And 67.
6, 7, 67. Okay, where I have to add?
Sure.
60. Upper beat. And
And
one more
lower-
lower bead.
lower
And
beads.
7 means upper bead.
Two
And
lower
2.
beads. Two lower beads.
Okay, what's the answer?
88.
88.
Eight.
Now, shall we take next one? Down, 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 down. Shall we take this one? 62, 21.
60.
Read it.
62. 62, 21, 16.
Okay, 62, 21, 16. Okay, keep in mind, okay? 62. Where I have to add?
Tens place.
Okay. 62, 60.
60.
50 plus? Okay, 2, 62.
2.
Next,
Last 21.
62, add 21.
At 21.
Add 16 again. 62, 21, 16. 21 means add 20, add 1. Again 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6.
One.
Add 10. Add 6. 6 means pinch in method. Upper bead and 1 lower bead. What's the answer?
99.
Very good. We'll take 2 more. Okay?
Yeah.
This one 84 less 23.
84. Less 23. 33.
84 less 23. Add
33.
33. Okay. 84. 84 means where I have to?
Ones place.
Okay. 80 first add 80. 84. 80 plus 4, 84. Here, tens
Yes.
place 50, 30, 84. 84. Okay, now less 33. Yes. Is it 33 or 20?
Less
Less-
21.
Less 23. Less 23. Less 20.
3.
Less 3. Again,
And 33.
add 33. 33.
3.
Answer 90.
24.
Very good. Okay, one more. Shall I take this one, last one? 97 less 25.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes.
97.
97. Less 25.
Add
And
12.
12.
97 less 25. 97.
Less 97. Less.
Okay. 97
Less.
add 7 less 25. Less 20.
5.
Less 5. Again, add 12.
20. Add. Less 20. Add 12.
Add 12. Add 12. Add 10. Add 2.
12.
What's the answer? 80.
84.
Yes. Start. We'll take 2 more sums and we'll move to the next. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shall we take this 56 less 55 add 82? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. 56
Let's
add
25.
56 add 56 less 55 add 82. Okay, we'll take this 56 less 55 add 82. Now tell me 56
56.
in tens
And
place
tens
upper
place.
bead
Yes.
and here add 5.
5.
Again less.
Less 55.
Okay, less 50
5.
less 5. Very good. Now 80.
Add 82.
Okay. Add 50 add 30 and here
82.
answer.
83.
Very good. We'll take one more. These are all things you can. Yeah, okay. Here 4 are there. 3 double digits only, but here 4 double digits numbers are there. We'll take from here 3. Okay, 3 sums we'll take. Now we have to, if the numbers we're increasing means we have to keep it in mind. It's very difficult, but we have to. Yeah.
Go there. 3. No, 3. He's asking only 3.
Okay. Now, see, we'll take the simple thing. 94 add 5. 94 add 5. Okay, I will share it. Okay, 94 add 5. Less 13 add 3. We'll take this. 94. How to add 94 here? In tens place, upper bead and 4 lower beads in tens place. Becomes 90 and 4. Okay. And what's the number? Next number 94. Add 5. Add 5 means what I have to do? Upper bead. Okay. Okay, done.
Less 13.
Wait. Less 13. 1 3. Less 13. Okay. Less 10. Less 3. Very good. And 3. You have to add 3. Okay. 3
Yeah.
where I have to add?
In one's place.
Very good. Done. What's the answer?
89.
Very good. 89 is the answer. Okay, easy enough? Yes.
Yeah.
Very, very
Yeah.
easy. We'll take, you tell me, which one? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine, 10. Which one I should take?
This one.
Which one? Number one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 some say that.
Six.
Sixth one?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one I will take. 84 less 23 less 11 add 34. Okay. Keep in mind. 84. First we'll add 84 plus 23. Okay. We'll first clear 84. Add 84
Less 23.
less 23 less 20 less 3. Okay. Now again, what about the next one? Less 11
Less 11.
add 34. Less 11 add 34. Keep in mind. Less 11 less 10 less 1. Add 34 means where I have to add? Add 30.
In 10's place.
Add 30 and add
1's place
4.
4.
4. Okay, done?
Yes. Answer is 84.
Very good. Okay, we'll take one more. These are all easy things you can do it. See, without complement, 2-digit sums, without any formula, direct. This is called direct method. Just we are adding direct, we are guessing it also directly. We are not at all using any formula. When we reach to this here, big friend addition of with 9, big friend addition of with 8. These are all the complements. Complements are nothing but formulas. Okay, that's also very, very simple things. Here easily we can do it. Shall we take this one? 13, 25, 61.
Yes.
Add 13, add 25, add 61, less 67. 13, 25. Okay, we'll do 13 first. Add 13 means where I have to add 10, add 3. Okay, Vian also came. Okay. I'm not able to see because I'm sharing the screen. Add 13, add 25, add 61. 6. Okay, 13, 25.
One upper bit in 10's place and one lower bit.
Okay, see here. 13 we added. Now add 25 we have to do. 13 already done. 25 means here. Add 20. Add
One upper bit.
okay, done. And next 61. 61, 61. 61. Here 61 means 50 plus
One upper bit 10's place. One lower bit.
which place? Which place? In tens place.
Yes.
And one lower bit in ones place. 61. Done. And next what we have to do? Less 67. Less 67 means less 60. Excuse me. Less 60.
One
Less
upper bit
50.
away. One lower bit away.
Less 7. Less 5. Less 2.
Less 2.
What's the answer?
32.
Very good. Shall we take 2 more sums?
Yes.
Then I'll stop sharing. Okay?
Okay.
Only 2 sums I will take. And I will go to use some problems for you. You have to do it. This one. This is a simple one. 22, 52. Less 11. Add 25. 22, 52. Okay? 22, 52. 22. See here. 22 means how many bits I have to add? Where I have to add?
1 10's place. 1 place. 2 lower bits.
22.
52.
52. 52 means?
One upper bit 10's place. And 2 lower bits.
Very good. Upper bit in tens place.
Lower bits in 1's place. 2.
Very good. Very good. And next, less 11. Less 11. Less 11 means less 10.
Less 10.
Less 1. Next, what is the next one? Add 25.
Add 25.
Add 20 plus 5, 25. Here 20, 2 bits in tens place. Because each bit value in tens place is 10. If we add 2 bits, that is 20. Add a 20 and
5.
what's the answer?
88.
Very good. We'll take one more. First we clear it. Okay, then these things you have to do on your own. If it is possible, take the printout. Okay, keep it with you. It's very easy. You can use the virtual tool and easily you can do it without any complement. We are not at all using any formula. So easy peasy. Okay. Okay. Next one. This one. 13.
13,
71.
71, less 51, less 30.
Okay.
30,
Okay.
71.
Vian will do it. This one. Okay. Vian, tell me this. Add 13. Add
Add
71. Add 13. Okay. 13 means add 10.
And 10 and 1 and
Hmm.
11.
And next.
Then
Add
next
71. 71.
1 upper bit in tens place and 2 lower bit in ones place.
1.
Then 1 lower bit.
Okay. And the next. Less 54. Less 30. Less 54.
Take away 1 upper bit in
In
tens
tens place.
place. Then 4 lower bit in ones place.
Less 30.
Take
30.
away 3 bits in tens place.
What's the answer?
0.
0. 0 means nothing. Now Hashim. Move down. Hashim will take this one. 53, 45.
53, 45.
Okay. Tell me how to add.
53, 45. In tens place 53.
Hmm.
1 upper bit.
Hmm.
In ones place 3.
Lower bit. Okay. Again 45 I think. 45.
45.
Yes. Yes. How to add 45? Add 40.
Add 40. 4 in tens place.
Okay.
Ones place 5. 1 upper bit.
Okay. Now next.
Less 62.
Okay. Less 62. Add 11. Keep it. Less 60 means less 50. Less 10. Again. Less 2.
Less 2.
Add 11. Add 11 means add 10.
Add
Add 1. Answer.
47.
Okay. Now I'm not sharing anything.